It's a dirty and dead Bluetooth speaker. Turn it on and it's not on. Turn it off. Insert the charger and it shows the red LED. At least the charger port is okay. Let's clean it. We have to open this thing for better cleaning and fix this thing. It has 6 screws. Here is the circuit. Here is the battery. I think the battery is not good. Let's measure it with our multimeter. Input is DC 4.1 volt. According to meter reading, the battery is good. So what's the problem? Is the switch faulty? Maybe?
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Yes. The switch is faulty. You can see if I short this switch, the system turn on. Right. So we know the problem. This thing is... Can we open this thing? I tried to open this thing and breaks like this. No problem. We will glue it, but at least we can clean this now. This side is front side is dirty, and we saw that when I try to brush it, it is look like this. So I will flip this here and flip this in here. Back side is clean. Then I will put it back like this. I use some super glue, little bit. From the front side, it looks better and clean now. Here is our speaker, and this one is battery connector, and this one is speaker connector. We don't need it, and we'll work it with this thing. It is fixed now. I have no replacement switch for this. I have this switch. This one is same size, but pin position is not the same. So we cannot use this switch. And here, what we can do now, we have to desolder this switch first, then open it and try to clean it somehow. Let's desolder this switch. Can I use this switch somehow? Bend this pin and solder this. Let's try to clean this first. If this fails, then I will think about that. Let's try to clean this now. File it looks shiny. Now it looks shiny. Maybe it will work. And now we're going to clean this tiny clip type thing. Rub it again and back like this. Apply some W40 in it. Now it looks better and we're going to assemble it again. I think it's okay now. Let's solder it again and check. Okay, soldering done. Maybe it will work now. Let's see. This one battery in here, speaker here. Turn it on.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
It works. It shows ambiguous speaker in my laptop. I'm trying to connect it. Yes, it is connected. Let's play some NCS track. Okay, it works. So we're going to assemble it again and we'll see the quality of its sound. Oh, I think we can bend this pin of the switch, or the switch will not go for working or something. We want it here, right here, inside the speaker. What's the problem?
The Bluetooth device is ready.
Okay, now it's perfectly fit in the case. The screw is here. 6 screw, 4th screw, and 6th. Turn it on.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair. Connected.
Not bad at all. Stupid Bluetooth speaker. Please like, share this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching.